Welcome back to our channel. BSW Coin Biswap token coin price news today. Price prediction and technical analysis. BSW Coin. BSW Coin just dropped nearly 40% in 24 hours and is trading close to its all-time low. So what's happening with Biswap token, and is it a buy, hold, or sell right now? BSW is a DEX token built on the Binance Smart Chain. Its market cap is now around $10 million, down 99% from its ATH. Despite this, the team is active and Binance still follows it, but it's now under Binance monitoring list, raising delisting concerns. The strong support at $0.154 has flipped into resistance. Indicators on the 1-day and 4-hour charts show BSW is oversold, while the 1-hour chart hints at short-term bounce. If the daily candle closes above 15 cents, a scalp trade could work, but only with confirmation on lower time frames. If it fails, expect further drops to 13 cents or 12 cents. Long-term buyers should watch the 10-cent zone. Technically bearish, but short-term bounce is possible. Trade carefully, use stop losses, and wait for confirmation. Like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.